You are going to love this turnkey property over on the east end of Panama City Beach. It's a fully furnished duplex with 2 sides. I can't wait for you to check it out. One side is 1 bedroom and a loft, and the other side is 2 bedrooms. Let's go. The kitchen is perfectly situated overlooking the living and dining space. That way you don't miss out on any fun with family and friends. Open concept living space leads out to one of the back patios. There's always a place to relax around here. In the back of the first unit is an extra little outbuilding. It could be your very own art studio, a workshop, or just more storage. One of the things I love about this duplex is both sides has plenty of ample decks up and downstairs. This particular unit is the 2 bedroom with washer and dryer next to the bedrooms. Super convenient when you need to wash that bathing suit. Plenty of places to get sunshine in the outdoor areas in this duplex. The second side of this duplex also offers open concept living. It has some elevated ceilings in the living room to make it a little more spacious as well. This particular side of the duplex offers a 1 bedroom with a little loft space as well, and again with that outside deck area. Both of these duplexes offer ample outdoor space. What you saw today, make sure you click on the links below. There you'll find more information about the property and who to call if you absolutely love it. And wait, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, thebeachshow.com. You don't want to miss out on any future deals like this one.